Alright, pne.ta, and that stands for Pinecliff Energy Ltd. And check out this mountain. Ooh. And here we are today, guys. Let's zoom in. I got an alert. And let's see. I set alerts all over the place all the time. Sometimes they're not super precise, but they get my attention. And then I just come back to the chart and see what is up. Alright, this is going to be easy. Monthly defined support. Where'd my chart go? Monthly defined resistance, guys. Could have had a base right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 month base. Breakout here. Target reach here. And now the next overhead resistance that I see is right here. So right now, this could be the outline of a bigger pattern. Maybe go like that for a few months. Maybe go up again here. Who knows? I'm just using my imagination to try to anticipate or just prepare my brain for possibilities. And that's what I could imagine right now for the monthly, coming off this 4 months base. Oh, let's reset that. Okay, there we go. Maybe a falling wedge. 1, 2. Maybe. The way I play falling wedges, I know it's usually a reversal, but you don't play it just when it breaks out of it. I like to wait for a horizontal breakout line. Most of my breakouts, they're all based on horizontal breakout or breakdown lines. So you have a bigger pattern, let's say symmetrical triangle, rising wedge, falling wedge, all those ones with slants. That's okay. Slant has been violated. That's like a trend line. But you don't break out off a trend line. You wait for consolidation pattern, sideways move. And after that, once you have that box, then you get in. All right, let's go down to the weekly, see what's up. Stage 2, stage 3, stage 4. Stage 1, small stage 2. But you see the stage 2 still had to go through overhead Ichimoku cloud defined resistance. That slows you down, guys. Slows you down, not A++. So what happened? That stage 2 didn't last for long. Back into a stage 3, and then you're under 30-week moving average. Stage 4, and right now, okay, we're out of the stage 4. Just recently, 2 weeks ago. Sideways move. Price action gets closer to 30-week moving average. Remember that 51 cents? That's that monthly defined resistance. Look at that. Ooh. Oh. If I zoom in. Oh. Sorry, guys. There you go. Look at that volume right here. So this is the embryonic breakout. That's the breakout. Usually we're not going to play because we're going to find reasons not to accept that breakout. Right here, this one here. So it's very good. But what's going to happen right now is you want to put the chances on your side, and you're going to run to this cloud like a storm of resistance. Coinciding also with monthly defined resistance. It's a whole bunch of pain here, right here. So what we're going to do is probably we're going to 30-week average still going down. You're going to wait. It's probably going to either sideways move here, maybe a pullback. If it's a pullback on low contracting volume, awesome. You're confirming that it's on the right track. 3-week moving average, as long as the price action stays above it, it's going to get flatter and flatter. And then, oh, Patrick, so many lines. Then a sideways move here. Maybe a breakout eventually here. 30-week average. Starting to go upwards. Yeah, I don't like this cloud here. We're going to need many, many weeks, hopefully. And eventually maybe. So maybe we're going to get a secondary breakout here, which is going to run into this resistance. And maybe we're going to be playing the third one. But this is the beginning. If you want to see how it's conceived, the stage 2. Well, this is how it's conceived. These are the signs right here. If you get really ahead of the curve, you zoom in, and you see really that candle is a breakout candle. But you're breaking out, but you still have the trend that's not really in your favor. So that breakout has less probabilities of being successful and really being at those crazy breakouts that you see that have been running for years. Let's say Apple or all these big companies. They have stage 2s, man, that have been there since I don't know when. And those are the waves you want to ride. But it's okay. You're isolating it. You're practicing to see the clues. And pne, guys, you're giving very, very good signs. But you're gonna we're just gonna keep an eye on it. See, I put my alerts. I see what's happening here. And then after we'll get back when that 51 cents is violated. Then we'll see if it closes above. If we had contracting volume. If we had a crescendo volume here on that breakout candle. Did the RSI deflate and then bounce off the 50 going upwards, and hopefully that coincides with the monthly close. Maybe not the July candle, maybe, or maybe August or September candle. We get a close. And remember what I used to say: patterns. Sharing breakout lines, sharing pattern borders, their targets. Let me scoot that over. So eventually if the price action goes up and we have some sideways move here, then that's the bigger play you're going to want to play eventually. So it's more of the target at 73 that we're going to be aiming, than risking it here on the 50 target on 50. So you don't want to play from now to 50. You want really the price increase. Really confirm that was not. We're out of the downtrend. We're out of that falling wedge. We're out of these big higher trend patterns that could suck you back in. That's how you increase your probabilities of having a successful trade. That's how you, instead of just having 40% success rate, that's how you increase it, by finding always excuses, guys, not to enter. pne, that's how I see it. That's how it's setting up. We're in embryonic stage 2, but keep an eye on it, and let's see in a few months if this thing's ready to explode, guys. All right, that's it. See ya.